Hi, I've just been looking on YouTube about how you're supposed to cure hiccups, and I can't believe that nobody knows it. And I can't take credit for it because about 10 years ago, a guy just came up to me in a nightclub and he told me how to get rid of it straight away. Ever since I've known, I've told a few people, I told the chemists, and they couldn't believe it because they did it because she had hiccups. It cures you straight away. All it takes is a little effort. You don't have to do like everybody else is with drinking water, sugar cubes and everything else. You don't need anything. All you need is to do exactly what I tell you. First of all, you have to exhale. Not like everybody else says, hold your breath. You exhale and you keep exhaling until it hurts. You keep exhaling until you believe you cannot do it anymore. You really are in pain. At that point, which is probably about 10 seconds, stop. Your hiccups have gone. This stops your diaphragm, whatever, from being in the spasm, which it is. It's simple and it works. Try it.